Hi everyone, welcome to my channel today. So in today's video I am going to show you how to create this fabulous money wallet, which is really quick and simple to make. On the front I have decorated the wallet with some gorgeous sunflowers and a couple of little leaves. The paper I have used, this is just paper, is from the little paper pad, and then I have popped a velcro dot to close the wallet, and on the front, to give the wallet a little bit of sturdiness, I have popped a piece of white card and then this lovely gingham paper, and then on the back I have just carried the theme through with the white card and the gingham paper, and then inside there it reveals my money. You could also use it if you wanted to pop your little pieces of ephemera in there. It would fit perfectly in. If you don't want to use it as a money wallet, you could pop your little pieces. You could also use it as a money wallet and add some little pieces of ephemera. So if you were giving it to a crafty friend, they could buy some crafts with the money, and they've also got some gorgeous pieces of ephemera inside. And then just to close it, bring the flap back over, pop the velcro together, and there you go. There is your gorgeous little money wallet. So without further ado, let me show you how to create this wonderful wallet. So to get started, I've cut myself a piece of, so this is just some paper, and I've cut this down to 7 1/4 by 5 1/2 inches. And the first score line that I would like to score is at 2 7/8. Then I want to score at 5 7/8, and that is the scoring done. So I just want to fold and burnish my score lines, and then we bring this one down and over the top like that. Then next you want 2 pieces of white card that is 2 1/2 inches by 5 1/8 inch, and you want to cut yourself 2 pieces of decorative paper that measure 2 inches by 4 1/2. And what I'm going to do is just pop some glue on to my paper and then pop it onto my card. Okay, so I've got my 2 pieces, and I am just going to pop one on to the front of my wallet, and the other piece will go onto the back piece. Popping my glue around, that will sit on the back. Okie dokie, so that, by popping the card and the gingham paper over the top, it has made my little wallet nice and sturdy. The paper that I used was this gingham one from the Make and Create design pad from the Works, and this is some of the papers in there. Yeah, that is the little paper pad, and the orange paper is from the little paper pad. So all I'm going to do here is just round my two corners on the flap, and then all I want to do now is glue the wallet together. So I put a thin strip of glue down the side. I did pop my my money inside, and I put a little pencil mark just to make sure that it would fit, and I'm just going to stick this together now, lining it up. So I've popped my money there inside of my little wallet, and then I'm going to decorate the front. So I've got these gorgeous sunflowers, which I will pop, I think, like that, and it will just help the wallet to close. But just before I do that, because I'm going to glue this onto there, I've got some Velcro dots I am going to pop on to close the wallet. So that needs to go there. What I'm going to do is I've actually got some that have already been cut in half. So I'm going to grab these two, put those two back into my packet, and I'm going to take my Velcro dots. So I've left them together. And which way did I have this? I had it like that, or was it that way? So I'm going to pop, so keep your Velcro dots together, and I'm literally going to pop them to the bottom of the sunflower. I'm going to grab my glue, so I'm going to stick this down, and at the same time I am just popping the Velcro onto the wallet. So that is now all stuck down, and the Velcro is sat nicely onto the underneath like that, and that just closes like so. And then just to finish off, I stamped out these little leaves using my stamp set that I bought from the works, which I featured in my little mini crafting haul. So I've stamped those out using the brown ink pad, and then I just coloured it in with my Faber-Castell gold pencil. And all I'm going to do is just pop a little bit of glue onto the back and stick these onto my wallet. I'm going to pop one, I think, about there, like that. And then the other one, I think I will stick there. And yeah, there you go. There is my cute mini money wallet. How adorable is that? I have decorated the front with the stamp set from the works. I've also used this piece of ephemera from my sunflower collection paper pad, and then just to open up your wallet and reveal your lovely little gift inside, which in this case is going to be some money. However, if you wanted and you're not using it for money, it will be fabulous to use as a little wallet to pop your lovely pieces of ephemera inside, and you could gift that to someone, and you can get a fair bit of ephemera inside all your lovely little pieces. Just got those few there, and it will fit perfectly inside an envelope, or if you were going to gift it to someone and you already had a card, you could pop that beautifully inside a card. And how gorgeous is that? It's absolutely fabulous. It's a really quick and simple wallet to make, and yeah, that is it for today. So I hope I have given you some inspiration to create your money wallet. Would you please consider giving me a thumbs up and also leave me a comment? I would really love to hear from you. And would you also consider subscribing to my channel? I would be ever so grateful for this too. So yeah, thank you ever so much for joining me today. Have a wonderful day. Happy crafting. See you all soon, and bye-bye for now.